my name is Mikayla Snow, and today I'm going to show you guys how to get these awesome butterfly wing eyeshadow look. I don't know what to call it, but there's butterflies on my eyeballs, and I love them. So let's get right into the tutorial. Okay, to start off, you want to make sure you have your face done. So I already have basically everything done to make this a really quick tutorial. And I'm really excited because today I'm using the Jeffree Star palette. It's just a gorgeous palette and I'm so excited to use it alongside the Morphe and Jeffree Star brushes. Can you tell I'm actually going to a festival today, so I'm a little panicked because I only have an hour to do this. So I'm going to take this white fluffy brush, and for my wings I kind of want just a regular eyeshadow look and then the wing to come out off of the side as well. And I've also already practiced this look once inside of my car at the Renaissance Fair. Literally I did all of my makeup in the car and I took some progression shots to kind of help me remember exactly how I did it. So I'm going to start off with this orange color and kind of work in a good crease and an outer wing color and just a basic eyeshadow. So I just laid a couple colors down to have like a base, and now I'm going to take my concealer to cut my crease a little bit just to make this a fun eye look. Cool, looking good, and now I'm going to take this color, Dog Mom, very accurate, to kind of set that concealer and deposit pigment. So I'm also just going to take my finger because that's like the easiest way to do it. And you just kind of want to pat that on there. Really simple, really easy. It really just sticks to the concealer, makes everything super simple, except when you have long nails. Just a little shimmer to add some dimension. Excuse the disaster, that is my Modern Renaissance palette, but I love this palette for its colors. So I'm going to take a little bit of Love Letter and I don't know, this orange one, and kind of incorporate it into the look to make it a little more pigmented and add a little bit more pink in it because I really liked the pink the last time I tried this. Okay, so I just remembered that I actually used this BH Cosmetics palette to do this look originally. I have no time. And I really love this palette. It's just so bright and colorful. There's so many colors, and I wish I kind of wanted to use this before, but I wanted to use the Jeffree palette, so I'll just incorporate some of the colors. Now we're adding a third palette. You really don't need to. It's all about the colors you want. So I want this color. Did it make it worse? No, I don't know. I like this brush. It's like a weird triangle shape, but it really deposits pigment exactly where I want it. And then I'm pretty sure I use this orange color. Okay, after that little bit of a struggle, here we are at the final eye look. So, super simple. But now is the fun part where we actually extend the eyeshadow out to form wings. So I'm looking at what I originally did for this look, and basically I just kind of like spread eyeshadow out. My space buttons are struggling. Hopefully they don't look too bad. Kind of an intense look. You just want to make like almost like a little heart shape coming out from the bottom tear duct. Is that a tear duct? I don't know. Outer corner of your eyeball. Down a little bit over your cheek. It feels really funny putting this much eyeshadow on your cheek, usually where a highlight would go. But you just bring that around, down, little swirls. But yeah, then it just turns into this little base layer for your wing. And now we'll repeat it on the other side. Okay, so now that it's kind of a very messy look, I'm going to clean it up. I'm going to go in and redefine them because this one got a little bit blurry. There we go, a little better. Give it a little dimension with some yellow just to kind of restructure these wings. It kind of looks insane, like it does look like festival makeup when you look at it like this. Alrighty, and now I'm just going to do a little liquid liner on my actual eyeball that's going to really help tie this look together. Alright, so that is a little difficult. You want to make sure it's very like tight to your lash line so it looks clean and not too crazy, you know? So now I'm just going to take this other cheaper liquid liner, because we have to use a lot of it, to outline these, and I like to bring it into where this wing is the entire line there. And you'll see it more when I outline it now. So take a couple deep breaths, you know, it's a little nerve-wracking, but we got it. And here I'm basically rounding out those edges to make the wing more of an oval shape. And so here is when the butterfly wings really start to take shape. You want to add an additional line going whichever direction you feel to really give that wing some more dimension. Alrighty, so here is the outline. I'm not super proud of it, and it's funny because in all my art classes you're not supposed to say, oh, I messed up on this, because you're supposed to go with it. But I want to be honest, you know, I think my first one was better even though I did it in my car, but it's not bad, you know, it looks like a butterfly wing. It's a little wonky, but all butterflies are unique, right? No, that's snowflakes. Anyways, let's try it on the other side now. So to run through this quickly, the outline, the 3 lines in between, making them rounded, and then going again through with those additional lines to give it some more dimension. Also, mistakes are okay. I just went in with some concealer and some more eyeshadow to kind of hide my mistake and just draw right over it. Alrighty, so we have the lines completed. It's really starting to take shape now. So I'm gonna put my mascara and eyelashes on to really tie this look together. And probably the most iconic aspect of this that ties it all together is the white liquid liner. This is by NYX. It's amazing. You literally can't do this look without it. It's honestly so easy and fun and just brings it to life. So I'm gonna add some dots. Well, that's not supposed to happen. Oh no. Okay, we gotta work with what we got now. Dang it. Stupid hair. Okay, keep going, it's okay. I mean, kind of fixed it. Continue the show. What do we think? Editing Mikayla wants to say that she probably wouldn't have done the white dots like through the crease, but whatever. And then I'm just gonna finish up with some House Laboratories lip gloss. I think I want to use Venus. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Means the world. Also, to let YouTube know you actually enjoyed this video, write a comment saying if you would ever want to try this makeup or what other makeup looks I should try. Anyway guys, thank you so much for your support. It means the world, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.